What's going on, Shoefish Life? Hers? I don't know, whatever. Anyway. I don't know, that's why I call you, but that's all I can think of when I start rambling. We're out here at East Canyon, getting ready for the Kayak Fishing Utah Bass Store number 4. Me and Mark out here pre-fishing. Mark's got Ricky the skunk. We're seeing who's gonna have Ricky tomorrow with our pre-fishing. Whoever catches more fish, I think, is what we'll probably just do since we didn't really make a plan. But it's what time is it? I don't think it's 5:11. Is that really? No. Holy cow, it's already 5:11. So yeah, I guess we don't have a lot of pre-fishing. And it's not really pre-fishing when this bite that you might find at 5 o'clock at night probably gonna be nothing like the bite you would have in the morning. But we just wanted to get out, so we'll find a fish too. And hopefully tomorrow will be a decent day for catch fish. It's so rocky. I don't think I have them still. I had one on the. Oh yeah, there's a fish. I just caught one on the drip fish. He's not very big. Let's see. I don't even know. This one's 10 inches, bud. Let's see. That would be. Oh, it'd be like 10 1/4, bud. I'm on the board. Hey, don't be loud or nothing about that little fishy you caught there, bud. Yeah! Oh my gosh, you about threw it out of the net. What's going on, Shoefish Life? There's Mark, and we're tournament morning out here at East Canyon for stop number 4. I caught one fish last night, you might have saw. Mark caught 2, nothing crazy, but we're hoping we can find some. Really just hoping for gosh dang 5 fish, because I ain't fished worth of crap this year, as you guys know. So hopefully the cameras will work today, because they were being really dumb last night. And hopefully make something happen. 5 fish would just be great. That's sad to say, but I'm back to that point where I just want 5. I mean, that's kind of always what I wanted, but I used to do a little better than I've been doing. Let's go find some fish. Oh, I forgot. We got Ricky today because Mark caught more fish than me last night. First time I've had Ricky on this boat, so we strapped in the motor, which might be in the way of that camera, but we'll see. Oh, there we go. Oh, I think he's too small. First topwater fish of the year. Unfortunately, it's like July and I finally get a topwater fish. Oh, he's so warm. Don't hook me. And be 10 inches. I don't think he's 10 inches though. Oh my goodness. You are the craziest guy I've caught in a while. The mouth is closed. And 10 1/2. Not much. But there's first fish on the board. Thank you, sir. God, the way you're fighting is like a 4-pounder, bud.
Don't want him to freak you.
There's a fish. He don't look very good size. That was weird. My drag light didn't even pull, but my line still did. He's feisty. Oh, come here, little buddy. We're doubled up, Mark, with dinkers. 9 3/4, you stinker. Oh. Didn't know I had him for a second. I'm like, God, that felt weird when I went to jerk it. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Use your net, Joe Randall. We're okay. We're okay. There's my new biggie. Not big, but bigger. Number 2, 11.5. Well, number 3, but number 2 for the board. Be bigger. Oh! Hello! Hello! Oh God! Horrible dead job, but we got it! I didn't know. I mean, he's not big, but he sure didn't feel like he'd be this big. 12.25. 12.25. Thank you, sir. Oh, he's barely 10. 10-incher. Trying to reset my cameras that are being done. Got something. It feels bigger than the last one. Staying down more anyway. Oh, that's a better one. I mean, not huge, I don't think. Probably our biggest right here. He's chunky. Oh, maybe he's not. He looks bigger, deeper. Oh God, don't lose him. Oh yes, there's a limit. There is a limit. Mouth closed. 11.75. Okay, finally. Thanks, bud. Now we're gonna do the smart thing and retie after that fish because he really messed up. And my weight's sitting on there. Normally I wouldn't redo this, but normally I would lose my next fish. Had to resort to the old drop shot. Tried not to really fish that much this year. Trying new things, but I feel like with what we kind of found, moving baits, chasing bait, they're not wanting it. Chase it too hard, it's probably the ticket today. Dead sticking. That's the ticket. A little better. A little better, a lot better for what we've been doing. Oh no, oh no, oh goodness, that was some horrible netting. There's your new biggest, maybe our new biggest, big and fattest for sure. 12.75, new biggest I believe. Feel that one biting. Thought I felt enough tick ticks. All the rest of these I've just felt weight and set the hook. Haven't really felt them bite like this one. That's not a fish. Maybe. Switch to the wacky. Got an okay one. Actually, that's Come on, Danny. It looks so much better when they're deeper. It's actually. Oh, that's a big one. This is the size I thought they were when they were deeper. Oh. Yes. Look at this. Yes. Oh man. I don't know why I decided to throw the wacky rig, but I'm glad I did. What am I motor doing? 16 and a quarter and the identifier. Yes, baby. Oh man. Oh. 16 and a quarter. That is a long bass. He looks bigger than that, but yes. Oh, thank you, buddy. Oh, yes. Whew. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm trying to be kind of quiet because there's a lot of people around here. I don't know where that puts us, but that helps. This is probably my, so far this year, this was the lake I least looked forward to, and it's the one I'm doing the best, regardless of standings. Doing the best for, compared to how I've been doing lately, so that fish felt good. I think he like ate it once, or it might have been, there might be a tree down here too, I don't know. I missed him, and I let it sink and ate it again. I didn't feel like I set the hook good, but he had it, so that's all that matters. I'm glad I got the net ready on that fish though. Because a lot of them look bigger when they're deep, like that. And then they get smaller as they come up. He didn't. What up, Ricky? Thanks for frying me the fish, bud. You're the real hero today. I think we should just do winner gets Ricky. That's what it should be. We're gonna have to figure out how to mount Ricky better though. Still, hello. Or get the camera higher. Let's get it down maybe. That might help a little bit. These cameras are a pain in the butt. I tried to let this one charge and I guess it was frozen, so it didn't charge or some crap. So we're gonna see if make it work. I don't know. I need to just fish though. Submitting fish right now, or trying to. I might actually be first for now anyway. Kept stealing my bait. Just fixing bait.
Oh, really?
11 3/4. Well, finally got fish submitted. I'm gonna try a new spot, just kind of work this bank as we're going, but sitting in first right now. Pretty sure it's a rock. I don't think it'll hold. There's only service in a couple spots in this lake, so I kind of doubt it'll hold, but it is nice to be in first once again and do decent. You know, this year I've been trying a whole bunch of new things and moving around, and kind of sucks to say that a good old drop shot and staying in a spot until you catch fish worked. And that's what I used to do, and that's how I used to fish better. But I want to do different things and learn new things, but man, it's bittersweet that it worked, because now I feel like that's what I'm going to do more of again. Didn't feel very big, but dang, I don't want to stay here for a second. Ricky, we need one more good fish. Where's he at? not ready for that fish. I don't know if he's gonna help, but we caught a fish. Whew. Okay, he's wild. All right, 12.5. I think that's a 1/4 inch upgrade.
Stuff out the way, trying to get this thing figured out still. Getting him in, all of a sudden, I didn't mean for the line to be in the water.
Oh goodness. Woo! He came out of the water a little bit.
Yeah, he was like a third.
12 inches, gains like 1/4 inch.
No, I didn't want to do anything to get this spot back.
Yeah, no,
I finally caught a fish.
Huh?
I finally caught a fish.
Did you? I need one more good one.
What?
I said I need one more good one to feel good about where I'm sitting.
Yeah, I need one more to get by.
Right here. Be a good one. Be a good one. Be a good one. That's not a very good one. Be a better one than I have. I'm all tangled up. He's a dinker. He's a feisty. Oh, I don't think that one's gonna help. 11. Not gonna help. Damn it. Come on. We can do this, Ricky. So we're still sitting first, feeling good. There's about 2 to 3 guys that don't have fish submitted that I'm sure they got fish, so I'm kind of worried about them. Trying not to get my hopes up. We still got 45 minutes of fishing and then an hour to upload fish after that. Oh, it would be really nice to win one. It's been, what, 2018? First ever win and only first place was our first ever state championship. Would be nice to get another one. Too small. That's like the smallest of today. Well, I think that's gonna do it. Last time I was able to look was in first, but I don't know. Something tells me it's not gonna happen. So hopefully we ain't even top 3. That would still be good. But we'll see. Got an hour before we know for sure. Well, longer than that. But an hour before you can't submit fish anymore. Anyway, thanks for watching Shoot Fish Life. We'll see you guys in the next one. There might be something after this, but there might not be. See ya.